I'm here to share with you the Stair Step Pop-Out with Layers die set. This die set contains 8 dies. The Stair Step Pop-Out with Layers die set contains the Stair Step base die and the Stair Step layering dies. Be sure to emboss the layering dies to bring out the detail of the dies. To complete this card, you'll also need a 5.5 by 8.5 card base. I'm using the A2 Landscape card base with layer die set to complete my Stair Step Pop-Out with Layers card. On 2 of my cards using the Stair Step Pop-Out with Layers die set, I also used the matting rectangle die. You can see how the matting rectangle die adds that pop of color. On this card, I didn't use the matting rectangle. I've gone ahead and die cut and embossed all the pieces that I needed to create the Stair Step Pop-Out with Layers card that's being shown in the video today. First, we're going to work with the Stair Step base. This was die cut and embossed from white cardstock. Add adhesive to the layering panels. Center them on the Stair Step base die and adhere in place. Repeat with the remaining layering die cut panels. Now we're going to use the card base. I'm using the A2 Landscape card base with layer and the matting rectangle die sets. Fold your cardstock on the score line. Then add adhesive to the back side of the matting rectangle die cut panels. Adhere one to the front side of the base card. Adhere the remaining 2 matting rectangles to the inside panel. Again, you don't need to use the matting rectangle if you choose not to. I like to use it because it adds a pop of color behind my layers. Now we're going to work with the Stair Step base die. Your first fold is a valley fold. These next folds are all mountain. These folds are valley. So again, mountain, valley, mountain, valley, mountain, valley, mountain, valley. Flip that over. Then use your favorite adhesive to apply adhesive to this panel and this panel. I'm using score tape on the Stair Step base die so that it's securely held on the A2 Landscape card base with layer die panel. Remember, we're only adding adhesive to this panel and this side. If using score tape, remove the backing from the tape and then adhere to your base panel. Repeat that process with the other side. Now you can finish embellishing your Stair Step Pop-Out with Layers card. I'm using stamps and dies from both our January and April 2020 Blessings Box subscription kit. You can embellish the blocks on the Stair Step Pop-Out with Layers card using our alphabet caps die set. inspiration, visit our samples gallery, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Pinterest and Instagram.